Okay, so we're going to do a quick um, tutorial about how to log into your new Google account that you have been assigned by Dallas Christian Academy. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go into your browser, whatever your normal browser is, and you're going to type in google.com. So that'll look like this. And you're just going to get a blank Google screen. You're going to come to the top right corner where it says sign in. Click on that. You're going to choose an account to log into. And so your account won't be there. So you're going to do use another account. Right here, you're going to type in your account. Yeah, excuse me. Type in your account name. And that'll be your number and your at DallasChristianAcademy.com. Sorry, DallasChristianAcademy.org. Hit enter. And then you're going to be typing in your password, which was sent to you in your email. Okay, then you're going to click next, and you'll be there in Google. Now, in order to access your classrooms, you're going to click on what I like to call the checkerboard. It's right up here in the right next to your name. You're going to click on that, and you're going to find the app that says Classroom. Sometimes that's going to be further down, and you may need to scroll down to find it. I use mine a lot, so it sits up here near the top, and in the next few weeks you'll be using yours quite a bit. And when you do that, it's going to pop open all your classrooms that you are a member of. Then you just need to click on the classroom that you're going to. There will be some messages there, including hopefully a Zoom link for you to get to your class. And if you have any trouble, try to contact a teacher and they will help you out from there. Thanks.